In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert Excel and Confluence page. By the end, you'll be able to add an Excel file to any Confluence page and choose exactly how it appears to your readers. Make sure you have edit access to the page you want to modify and have the Excel file saved on your computer, so it's easy to find. Start by opening your Confluence page and clicking Edit. This switches the page into editing mode, where you'll see the full toolbar at the top. Keep an eye on the Insert section of the toolbar, that's where we'll add the file. Place your text cursor where you want the Excel file to appear, so Confluence knows the exact spot to insert it. Next, click the Image or Files and Images icon in the Insert section. This is the quickest way to attach a file to the page. A small menu will appear. Choose the option to upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is stored, select the file you want, and click Open. Confluence will upload the file and insert it right into your page at the cursor location. You'll see it appear immediately, confirming the attachment has been added after the file is inserted. You can choose how it's displayed. Confluence gives you two styles, card or inline. Card displays a neat tile with the file name and details, making it stand out visually on the page. This is great if you want your readers to notice the file quickly or if it's a key resource. Inline places the file as a simple link within your text, which keeps things compact and works well if you are adding multiple files or want a cleaner layout. Pick the option that best matches the look and feel of your page. If you are unsure, card is often more noticeable, while inline blends into the text more naturally. When you are happy with how the file looks, finish by saving your changes. Click Publish if you are creating or finalizing a new page, or click Update if you are editing an existing one. This step is important until you publish or update. The changes won't be visible to others. Once saved, view the page to confirm the Excel file appears exactly as you chose, either as a card or as an inline link. That's it. Thanks for watching.